What's up, fam? Hey, excuse me, I felt really motivated to do this video, but I was cooking some eggs real fast, so I'm all done. Hey, I want to ask you, have you defined what success looks like for yourself? Have you really thought about, like, what does it mean to be successful? I remember years ago, I wanted to open up a martial arts school, and I was able to accomplish that, but my dreams were ripped from me because of a spinal injury. So I couldn't teach martial arts anymore. I couldn't do it anymore. So I had to redefine what success looked like for me, right? And my definition of success now is to be able to help others through life coaching and through motivational speaking. But have you really thought about, like, what success looks like for you? What does it mean to be successful? Only you can define that. It doesn't have to be about money. It could be about anything. You define success. Go and be successful, Pete. Peace.